At bago tayo magsimula, F1 BLT would like to thank the following sponsors: Kalos PH, Marquis, Rapelo, Zero Drop, Santis, Haladola, M3, Hola Ensaymada, and Croxy Lugan. Thank you so much, sponsors. I love you all. First 5 both teams.
Sir, ano tayo? Huddle tayo. Huddle lang. Konti lang, saglit lang. Short huddle lang tayo, sir. Short huddle lang.
Both teams, short huddle po muna tayo. Both teams, short huddle po muna daw. Lapit po muna kay rep. First game start tayo. Let's go, day 3 F1BL. Pop the Loading versus Blue Ridge. Once again, F1BL Season 3 first game, day 3. Pook Loading versus Blue Ridge. And again, shoutout sa mga sponsors, lalo-lalo na Kalos PH. Thank you so much. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Hola, Ayala, inside Mata. I love you too. Pook Loading got the first ball possession. Costan, 3-pointer is good. Costan, 3 points. Number 18. To Mariano, to Pili. Pili, surveying the D. 10 seconds to shoot. Orbito got blocked. Lim running. Lim, 3-pointer is good. 3 points for Lim. Mariano, surveying the D. Screen Escalante, pass to Pili. Pili, Menace on the paint. 2 points, Pili. Lim, to number 88. Number 88 to number 19, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7 got fouled by number 16. Foul number 16, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for Cruz. First free throw is good for Cruz. Second free throw is good for Cruz. Our official score is 8-2 in favor of Pook. Number 18 to Escalante, to Mariano. Mariano, 3-pointer. Good, 3 points. Na Mariano. Lim, dribbling. 3-pointer, Lim! No good. Ayok Rai got the ball. Ayok Rai to Mariano. Mariano running. Mariano still by Lim. Lim, 2v1 situation. Cruz, back to Lim. Lim, 2 points. Assist by Cruz. Mariano, to Pili. To Ayok Rai. Ayok Rai. To Escalante. Back to Mariano, 14 seconds to shoot. Mariano running, Mariano attacking, Mariano, 2 points. Cruz to Lim. Lim being defended by Mariano. Ooh. Number 18 got the ball. Number 18 to Mariano, alley-oop, 2 points. 1 point lead for Pook. Number 19 dribbling. Number 19 jumper. No good. Mariano got the ball. Mariano dribbling. Mariano overturn. Cruz got the ball. Cruz to Marcelo. Back to Cruz. 14 seconds to shoot. Costan fake. Costan run. Costan to Cruz. Cruz 3-pointer is good. 3 points, Cruz. Good ball movement there by Pook Loading. Mariano to Ayok Rai. Ayok Rai back to Mariano. 14 seconds to shoot. Turnover again. Cruz to Castan. To Lim. Lim wide open. 3-pointer. No good. Lim got the ball again. Lim fake. Lim. Whoa. No good. Billy got the ball. Mariano running. Mariano attacking. Mariano. 2 points. Two-point lead for Pook loading. Cruz to Marcelo. Marcelo quick. Marcelo floater. No good. Number 19 got the ball. Mariano to number 18. Number 18. No good. Mariano get the rebound. Second chance opportunities. Good for Mariano. Tie game. All 13. Our official score. Cruz. To Castan. 14 seconds to shoot. Back to Cruz. Cruz back to Castan. 3-pointer wide open. No good. Number 19. Second chance opportunities. Good. Number 19. 2 points. Both teams ready. Change 5. Ready. Second unit. Mariano to Escalante. Escalante. Back to Mariano. Mariano to Pili, 10 seconds to shoot. Pili on the paint. Pili, 2 points. Wembanyama lang. Parang Wembanyama lang. Cruz. To Lim. Lim fake. Lim attacks. Lim. Right away. 2 points. Change 5. Grabe dun. Si Lim. Two-point lead for Pook loading. Official score is 17-15. Time remaining 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Mosquera, their point guard. Mosquera to Sardea. Sardea to Solinap. Solinap, 14 seconds to shoot to Mosquera. Mosquera to Sardea, 10 seconds to shoot. Sardea dribbling. Sardea to Solinap. Solinap, no good. Solinap. Second chance opportunities. Good 2 points. Tie game, all 17. Cruz to number 18. Cruz. Back to 5. Dizon. 2 points. Dizon. Mosquera. Sardea. No good. Cruz got the ball. Cruz running to number 28. No ball, no good. Mosquera running. Mosquera to Solinap. Solinap. Ilagan got the ball. Got blocked. Number 5 got the rebound. To Cruz again. Cruz. Cruz got foul. Foul number 10. First personal foul number 10. Second team foul number 10. First free throw is good for Cruz. Second free throw, no good for Cruz. Mosquera, being defended by Nubal. Mosquera, to De Dios. De Dios, jumper. No good. Number 5, got the ball to Nubal. Nubal to Cruz. Cruz, easy 2 points for Cruz. Five-point lead for Pook loading. Mosquera to Ilagan. Ilagan to De Dios. De Dios, Midi again. Good 2 points for De Dios. 3-point lead for Pook loading. Cruz to number 5 to Nubal. Nubal attacking. Nubal got fouled.
3-4.
Foul number 24, first personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Nubal to Cruz. Cruz to number 5. Number 5, jumper. No good. Dizon, put back. No good. Ilagan got the ball to De Dios. De Dios, back to Ilagan. Ilagan attacking. Ilagan got blocked by Dizon. Ang lucky. Cruz, dribbling on the ball. Cruz, three-pointer. Is good. Cruz, 3 points. Mosquera, dribbling on the ball. Uy, shot clock. Mosquera to Saldea. To Ilagan. Turnover. Nubal got the ball. Nubal running. Nubal attacking. Nubal on the paint. Got fouled. Foul number 21st. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty to reach. Timeout. Blue Ridge. 6-point lead for Pook Loting. Our official score is 25-19. Time remaining 1 minute and 51 seconds. Back to the ball game. Two free throws for Nubal. First free throw no good for Nubal. Second free throw is good for Nubal. 7-point lead for Pook Loting. Mosquera to Sardea. 14 seconds to shoot. Turnover, Dizon got the ball. Dizon to Nubal. Back to Dizon. Dizon, 2 points. Ang laki-laki. Mosquera to Ilagan. De Dios got the ball. De Dios. De Dios got fouled. Foul number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. 3 free throws for De Dios. First free throw is good for De Dios. Second free throw no good for De Dios. Third free throw no good for De Dios. 1 out of 3 shooting from the free throw line. Cruz. Number 18. To Nubal. Nubal, 2 points. Great pass by number 18. 10-point lead for Pook Loting. Sardea to De Dios. De Dios made it. No good. Solinap got the ball. Solinap got blocked by Dizon. Good hustle there. Number 5 to number 18 to Nubal. Got fouled. Foul number 10. Penalty. Number 10, second personal foul. Penalty. First free throw no good for Pedrano. Second free throw is good for Pedrano. Mosquera to Ilagan. Ilagan to De Dios. De Dios to Sardea. Sardea, 3-pointer is good. Sardea, 3 points. 25 seconds. seconds. Medrano to number 5. Number 5 on the paint. Number 5, 2 points. Umikot pa na parang turumpo. 10 seconds to shoot. Mosquera being double team. Jump ball. Same ball. 4.4 seconds time remaining. Ilagan. Goaltending. 2 points for Ilagan. Eight-point lead for Pook Loading. Start of the second quarter. Live. To number 27. Number 27. To number 88. No good. Mariano got the ball. Mariano running. Mariano to Billy. Billy back to Mariano. Mariano back to Billy. 14 seconds to shoot. Billy to Ayok Rai. Ayok Rai, 2 points is good. The Cobra shot. 2 points. Lim. Surveying the D. Lim. To number 37. Same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Lim. Long three-pointer, Lim. No good. Number 19 got the ball. Number 19. 2 points is good for number 19. Mariano. Dribbling. Mariano attacking. Mariano floater is good. 2 points. Lim dribbling na the ball. Lim. To number 22. Same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Number 18 to Lim. Lim attacking. Lim. Overturn. Pili got the ball to Mariano. Mariano running. Mariano attacking. Mariano no good. But Pili got the rebound. Pili 2 points with the foul. Foul number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for Pili. Bonus free throw no good for Pili. Marcelo got the ball. Marcelo to Lim. Lim dribbling down the ball. Lim attacking. Lim jumper is good. 2 points, Lim. Mariano being defended by Zaldivar. Mariano to Escalante. 2 points. Lim. Surveying the D. Lim. Turn over. Mariano got the ball. Mariano all alone. 2 points. Timeout. Pook Loading. Both teams, tig-isa na lang po ang inyong timeout. 2-point lead for Pook Loading. Our official score is 37-35. Time remaining 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Back to the ball game. Again, 2-point lead for Pook Loading. Lim. Back to Zaldivar. Saldivar to Lim. Lim, long three-pointer again. No good. Mariano got the ball. Mariano, being defended by Saldivar. Mariano, Ayok Rai. No good. Lim, 2v1 situation. Lim, 2 points. Lim. Turnover. Pook floating ball. Lim, dribbling down the ball. Lim, to number 19. Number 19, attacking. Number 19, step back jumper is good. 2 points. Mariano, to Pili. Pili. Pili, to Ayok Rai. Ayok Rai, 2 points. The Cobra shot is good. 4-point lead for Pook loading. Saldivar to Lim. Lim attacking. Lim to Marcelo. Marcelo no good. Pili got the ball. Turnover. Tevez got the ball. To Lim. Lim. Fake. Lim. 3-pointer. No good. Number 19 got the ball. No good. Marcelo no good. Marcelo again. No good. Escalante. Rebounded the ball. Mariano attacking to Pili. Great pass by Mariano to Pili. Pili, 2 points. 2-point lead for Pook loading. Both teams are ready. Second unit. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim being defended by Mariano. Pass to number 27. Number 27. 2 points. Assist by Lim. Mariano to Escalante. Escalante, 2-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Marcelo. Marcelo to Lim. Lim running. Lim attacking. Lim. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Change 5. 4-point lead for Pook loading. 43-39 in favor of Pook loading. Okay. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Nubal. To number 18. Number 5 to Costan. To Dizon. Dizon. No good. Number 5 got the ball. 2 points for number 5. Second chance opportunity is good. Beltran. 3-pointer. No good. Number 5 to Nubal. Nubal. Being defended by Beltran. Nubal to Costan. Break. Costan to number 5. Number 5. 2 points. Proper tuck-in po. Number 71. Thank you so much. De Dios. You're paying the lead. 14 seconds to shoot. De Dios. Ilagan to Beltran. Back to De Dios. De Dios hesitating. De Dios to Sardea. Sardea 3-pointer. No good. Dizon got the rebound. Dizon to Nubal. Nubal running. Nubal attacking. Nubal got fouled. Who's fouler? Foul number 4. First personal foul for number 4. Second team foul. First free throw is good for Nubal. Second free throw no good for Nubal. 9-point lead for Pook loading. Beltran, dribbling down the ball. Beltran to Sardea, back to Beltran. Beltran to Sardea again. Sardea, wide three-pointer is good. Sardea, 3. 6-point lead for Pook Loting. Number 18, Tocostan, back to Pedrano. Pedrano to Nubal. Nubal to Dizon. Dizon, hindi na ang bola. Beltran, running. Beltran to Ilagan. Ilagan to De Dios. Kinabila pa pero sumablay. Tocostan got fouled. Number 71, first personal foul. Third foul for Blue Ridge. Pedrano to number foul number 10. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 3 free throws for Nubal. First free throw good for Nubal. Correction, 2 free throws lang po pala. Second free throw is good for Nubal. Beltran, dribbling down the ball. Beltran to Ilagan. Ilagan to Solinap. Solinap. Traveling violation. Lual to Pedrano. Pedrano to number 5. Number 5, jumper. No good. De Dios got the ball. De Dios to Beltran. Beltran to Ilagan. Ilagan on the paint. Ilagan, 2 points for Ilagan. Great pass for Beltran. 5-point lead for Pook. Number 18, fake. Number 18, 2 points. Timeout, Blue Ridge. Seven-point lead for Pook Loting. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Blue.
Beltran, dribbling na the ball. Beltran to De Dios. De Dios. To Solinap. Solinap! 2 points. Solinap.
Bibigyan ako ng dilog.
Pedrano to Costan. Back to Pedrano. Pedrano to Nubal. Nubal, 3-pointer. Is good. 3. Nubal. Beltran. Beltran. De Dios got the ball. De Dios to Ilagan. Ilagan. Loader no good. Number 5 got the ball. Nubal to Costan. Wide open. Assist ang gusto. Number 18. 2 points. 10-point lead for Pook Loting. Beltran to De Dios. De Dios to Sardea. Sardea fake. Sardea attacking. Sardea back to De Dios. 14 seconds to shoot. De Dios to Beltran. Beltran 3-pointer. No good. Nubal to Pedrano. Pedrano to Costan. Bestie 2 points. Beltran to De Dios. De Dios to Sardea. Sardea fake. Sardea dribbling. Sardea back to De Dios. 10 seconds to shoot. De Dios to Sardea. Sardea 3-pointer. No good. De Dios got the ball. De Dios jumper. No good. Number 5 rebounded the ball. Costan running. Costan. Still Beltran got the ball. Beltran, three-pointer, all alone. No good. Pedrano got the ball. Pedrano to Dizon. 30 seconds. Dizon. 2 points for Dizon. Ilagan, three-pointer. No good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Lubal. Attacking. Lubal. 2 points. 3 seconds. End of the first half.
Yeah.
16-point lead for Hawk Loading. Our official score is 62-46. Before the second half starts, F1BL team would like to thank the
I've been
following
moving calm, no
sponsors.
trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful, there's a
Kalos PH, Marquis Pratelo, back to the ball game. 7-point lead for Pook Loading. Mariano to De Dios. De Dios dribbling down the ball. "14 seconds to shoot. De Dios. 10 seconds to shoot. Escalante. 2 points. 5-point lead for Pook Loading. De La Paz dribbling down the ball. De La Paz to Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio back to De La Paz. De La Paz to number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22 to Aurelio. Aurelio jumper. No good. Dizon got the rebound. Dizon got locked. Mariano got the ball. Mariano running. Mariano attacks. Mariano got fouled. Foul number 85. First personal foul for number 85. 2 free throws for Mariano. Penalty. Substitution. Tevez in. Arguelles out. First free throw is good for Mariano. Second free throw good for Mariano. De La Paz surveying the team. De La Paz to Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio to number 22 to De La Paz. De La Paz. Nagkagulo. Turnover. De Dios to Pili. Pili got fouled. Foul number 27, second personal foul. Penalty. First free throw no good for Pili. Second free throw no good for Pili. De La Paz to Aurelio. Aurelio attacking Aurelio to Dizon. Dizon fouling. Foul number 2. Second personal foul for number 2. Third team foul. First free throw no good for Dizon. Second free throw no good for Dizon. Mariano. No good. Escalan. Mariano to Beltran. Beltran, 3-pointer. No good. De La Paz got the rebound. De La Paz to Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio to De La Paz. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Paz to number 22. Number 22 attacking. Number 22 to Tevez. Tevez jumper is good. 2 points. Six-point lead for Pook Loading. 14 seconds to shoot. Turnover. De Dios. De La Paz. 2 points. Mariano. Mariano running. Mariano attacks. Pook Loading ball. Substitution. Aurelio to De La Paz. Back to Aurelio. To number 22, back to Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio to Dizon. Dizon to Tevez. Tevez! 2 points. 10-point lead for Pook loading. Mariano to Escalante. Escalante fakes. Escalante bump. Escalante no good. Santiago got the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Santiago.
Foul number 16. Tapos technical foul ha. Number 16.
Left atlas nga eh. Pag ganun nga siya eh.
Foul number 16. Foul number 16, second personal foul. Technical foul for Dizon, number 16. Technical free throw for Beltran. First, technical free throw is good for Beltran. 2 free throws for Escalante. First free throw no good for Escalante. Second free throw is good for Escalante. 8-point lead for Pook loading. Aurelio to De La Paz. 20 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. De La Paz fakes. De La Paz. To number 32. Number 32. 3-pointer is good. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Escalante, 3-pointer, no good. End of the third quarter.
Ah! Ano pa ako?
11-point lead for Pook loading. Our next game, Pratelo versus Tres Marias. Start of the third quarter. 11-point lead for Pook loading. Our official score is 79-68 in favor of Pook loading. Aurelio. Back to Aurelio. Aurelio. Kick out to number 77. Out of bounds. Mariano being defended by Cruz. Mariano attacking to Billy. Ilagan, 2 points. 9-point lead for Pook loading. Aurelio. Aurelio to number 7, to number 19, to number 77. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 19, 2 points. Mariano, running, Mariano to Beltran. Beltran, 3-pointer is good. Beltran, 3 points. First 3-point made for Beltran. Aurelio to De La Paz, back to Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio, 3-pointer is good. Aurelio answers the 3-point from Beltran. Mariano, defended by Cruz. 14 seconds to shoot. Mariano, 3-pointer is good. Mariano, 3. Aurelio, jumper is good. Aurelio, 2 points. 10-point lead for offloading. Changing of basket. Mariano, 3-pointer again, no good. Ilagan got the rebound to Beltran. Beltran, 3-pointer, no good. Costan got the ball, pass to Aurelio. Aurelio dribbling. Aurelio to Cruz, to Costan, back to Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Aurelio jumper is good. 2 points. Great hands by Aurelio. Mariano to Pili. Pili, no good. Foul number 26, first personal foul. Time out. Blue Ridge. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Blue Ridge. 12-point lead po pa offloading. Back to the ball game. Aurelio surveying the D. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio to De La Paz. Back to Aurelio. Aurelio to Costan. Turnover. Blue Ridge ball. De Dios dribbling down the ball. De Dios to Santiago. Santiago. 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago to Beltran. Beltran, long 3-pointer is good. Beltran, 3. 9-point lead for offloading. De La Paz to Aurelio. Aurelio to Costan. Costan fakes. Costan to Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Cruz, long 3-pointer is good. 3. Beltran, logo, no good. Santiago, good hustle there. Beltran got the ball again to Santiago. Santiago, still, Aurelio to De La Paz. De La Paz, easy 2 points. De Dios to Santiago. Santiago being defended by Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Pili, 2 points. Aurelio to Costan, to De La Paz, to Cruz. 14 seconds to shoot. De La Paz to Aurelio. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Point lead for offloading. Beltran, No good. Aurelio got the rebound. Aurelio to number 19. Number 19, 2 points. Good pass there. Good find. Mariano. 3-pointer. Mariano. No good. Aurelio. Pili. Got the ball. Pili running. Pili attacking. Pili. Got fouled. Substitution. Number 77, first personal foul. First team foul. .14 lead for Pahok Loading. First free throw is good for Billy. Our time remaining is 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Second free throw is good for Billy. 12-point lead for Pahok Loading. Nubal to Lim. Lim to number 18, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 18 back to Lim. Lim fakes. Lim attacks. Lim. Blue Ridge ball. De Dios to Mariano. Mariano running. Mariano attacking. Mariano lose the ball to Lim. Lim. 2 points is good. Lim. De Dios. Surveying the D. Being defended by Lim. 14 seconds to shoot. De Dios got double team. To Escalante. Escalante jumper. No good. Rebounded by number 88, Marcelo. Pedrano dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pedrano to Marcelo. To Nubal. 5 seconds to shoot. Back to Marcelo. Marcelo jumper. It's no good. Escalante got the ball. Pass to Mariano. Mariano being defended by Nubal. Mariano jumper is good. 2 points for Mariano. 12-point lead for Pahok Loading. Our official score is 97-85. 14 seconds to shoot. Nubal to Pedrano. Pedrano attacking to Lim. Lim fakes. Pass to Mariano. Mariano. Easy 2 points. Timeout. Pahok Loading. Both teams, tigisa na lang po ang inyong timeout. Our official score is 97-87. 10-point lead for Pahok Loading. Back to the ball game. Pedrano to Nubal. Nubal bringing down the ball. Nubal being defended by Mariano. 14 seconds to shoot. Nubal running. 10 seconds to shoot. Nubal to Lim. Lim. Pass to Nubal. Jumper. No good. Escalante got the ball. Pass to Mariano. Mariano running. Mariano attacking. Mariano. No good. Pili got the rebound. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul number 88, first personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. De Dios to Mariano. 10 seconds to shoot. Mariano to Santiago. Santiago attacking. Santiago. No good. Pili. No good. Last 2 minutes. Lim. Spins. Lim. 2 points. Great move by Lim. Point lead for Pahok. Loading. Santiago running. Santiago. Jumper no good. Same ball. Substitution.
Yung bola.
12-point lead for Pahok Loading. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Escalante to Beltran. Beltran to Mariano. 10 seconds to shoot. Mariano. Mariano. No good. Foul number 28. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Santiago to Escalante. 10 seconds to shoot. Beltran. Floater. Beltran is good. 2 points for Beltran.
Tao, boy, tao.
10-point lead for Pahok Loading. One minute. 10 seconds to shoot. Nubal. Floater is good. 2 points. Turnover Blue Ridge. 12-point lead again for Pahok Loading. Lim bringing down the ball. 30 seconds. Lim no good. Dizon. 2 points for Dizon. 21.5 seconds remaining. Beltran attacking. Beltran. No good. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. End of the first game. Our final score is 103-89. Pahok Loading got the W. Congratulations to Pahok Loading.